Welcome, everyone, and thank you so much for listening in. Today, we're here to talk a little bit more about EPCOR's water treatment plants, as well as the shared outcomes and design principles. I've got with me Audrey Cudrak, our Director of Edmonton Water Treatment Plants. In this video, we focus in on the one shared outcome, quality of life. So let me get it started this way. I want to read out to all of you what is quality of life? How are we defining it? This for us means that the water treatment plants are operated, maintained, and updated in a way that continues to produce high quality drinking water, considers the community experience, and respects our shared history today and in the future. Now, Audrey, these are lovely words, but what's more important is what do these look like in action? So Audrey, tell me a little bit more about quality of life and what that means for EPCOR.
Right. So a shared outcome is a fancy way of saying the goals. So for quality of life, EPCOR is committed to, first of all, acknowledge the vital importance of water for us all. For example, we'll work to understand how our operations and our planned work impact quality of life for all who depend on the water, including animals and downstream users. We'll embrace our unique and shared history. We'll work to understand, preserve, educate about, and celebrate the traditional and historical significance of the area through information sharing, signage, and ceremony. We've started some of this work already through our work with the Enoch Cree Nation.
Now, quality of life is not a small concept. I know that there are other things that also EPCOR is committed to related to quality of life. So tell me a little bit more about what's on this list, Audrey.
Right. So, for example, be a good neighbor. This will involve creating opportunities for members of our neighboring communities and area users to connect with EPCOR and learn about the water treatment process through tours or engagement sessions. Also to participate in and contribute to local events and other community building activities. We're also seeking to enhance the recreational experience, such as find opportunities to enhance the experience of recreational users around our facilities, including through landscaping, visual considerations, and educational signage. We'll support Indigenous and non-Indigenous partners working to enrich the recreational spaces around our facilities.
And we've got one more on the list here, Audrey, mitigate temporary impacts. Tell me what that means.
So for this, really, we want to anticipate the impacts to neighbors and the area users while we're planning mitigations to our temporary construction and maintenance activities, both inside and outside of our fence lines.
Audrey, thank you so much for taking the time to be with us here. Again, thank you to all of you who have been listening in. You can certainly learn more by visiting epcor.com/shared outcomes. Take care.